Welcome to another episode for our channel here at Carbon Media. This is Mikey, and today we're now here at Silang, Cavite for the club sport event. So, yan, dami na mga na-invite na auto rito. So, let's go check them out! So we are now here at Silang, Cavite for the club sport event. So ito, sa parking pa lang dami ng auto, punuan. Check them out. So actually, here's the main event. So punta tayo doon. Ito, kararating lang. An orange Celica race setup. Ganda. Siyempre naka-tow. Arriving style. So we are now here at Clean Fuel Silang, Cavite. Ayan, punong-puno na ang mga bisita natin dito. There's a lot of legendary cars, high-end cars here, Evos, GTR. A lot of media friends are right here. After midnight, Mr. South Scene. Yeah, yo. What's up? Vlog on vlog. Oh, papagas daw to. Gas daw, unleaded. Oh, gasan mo na. Uy, si Mr. Everseen, so it's you again. You know, content. Okay, we have a Lamborghini. Ano Lamborghini ba tong kay Rafi? Huracan. Nice, kararating lang. There's a GTR. There's a lot of sports cars right here. So, marami tayong ikutin. What's up, Rafi? There's a Lexus here, a Porsche, and a bunch of Porsches here. Pero ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dito eh. The Yaris of Brian, Club Sport Yaris, Rally Spec. Brian, kunin mo na yung mugs ko dito. Bagay na bagay, oh. Palitan mo na yan. And there's a couple of Lexus pa din dito, and a Supra, red Supra. And a 370Z in black. I think this is the old 370Z of Banawi Boy. So, yan, ganda. So, there's a Volkswagen GTI here. And of course, the Benz of Boss Boboy Rabe. Ganda. Yeah, finally it's out. And here's the orange Celica. And check this out. A Sentra na wagon or na hatch. I think this is a B14. Ang ganda. And another BMW wagon. I'm not sure kung anong body code nito, but ayan, ang ganda, haba. Alright, check out this E86 Trueno. Eh, yung kay Alex, kailan kaya lalabas yung 86 niya? Never. Soon lalabas din, Alex. Alright, let's check out some of the cars here. Check out this black NS6, oh. Mukhang pang GT. Check out the roof scoop, oh, ang ganda. And the big ass wing. And of course, the Mark IV Supra is here in white. Ganda rin, oh. And also, syempre yung RX-7 ni Oric. And the prototype E86, si Elsa. Ito yung KG spec. Let's check out our titos here. Tito Buboy! What's up? Uy, mga A86 titos. Ito yung isa, oh. Fresh na fresh. Straight out of the dealership. A86. Bone stock. And 4AG engine. Yeah, ito yung mga titos natin. Yeah, taking pictures. And of course, we also have Mentocoro here. So, yung mga nagugutom. And the reason we are here because of the Ramen Run here at Club Sport. So, shout out to Mentocoro. A 3-door Land Cruiser. Very rare. Hey, it's Justin Buzzib in the house. Yeah, what's up, boss? Thanks, Justin. Yeah, let's check out the Hyundai cars on display here. And this one is the Elantra N. So itong ingay nito kanina nagpa-pops in banks Shiny blue paint. And itong maganda rito. The Hyundai Ioniq 5N. So let's go check it out. Full EV car. Mabilis to sabi ni Brian Yan exciting sana makapag-feature din tayo ng ganito soon. Nasaan na si Mang Larry?
Video photographer. Si Mang Larry kumakain ng barbecue. Baka nakala ko.
Barbecue.
Kumakain ng barbecue. So,
ito si After Midnight.
Afternoon pa lang nandito
na.
Ano sabi nga nila? First one in, last one out.
After midnight. Halika dito, pasok ka dyan.
Married to the game.
Married to the game. Not to anyone, but to the game.
Yes sir, Mami Bella, Mickey Carbonell.
Shout out to Mami Bella, hi.
Lahat, Mami.
Ito nga pala si Mek Chen. Sup Mek? Ayan, yung tropa natin. Itong ating tuner, si Mek. Finally, in person. Sino kasama mo?
Tropa mga
Tropa. Anong dalang auto?
Wala, E90.
Ooh. Saan nakapark? Puntahan natin. Andon. Nice seeing you, Mek. So we're seeing a couple of NSX here. Ito yung isang pula with the pop-up headlights, Acura NSX. And this one's an updated version. Ito na yung hindi pop-up, in black. And syempre ito, hindi swan yung kanina. In black as well, pop-up. So we have 3 NSX here. Ito si Tito Pao. What's up, Tito Pao?
I love you, Carbon Media.
Yeah.
I love you, number 1.
Nice seeing you.
Hindi ko nakilala kanina.
Nakayaris yan. Nakayaris yan yan.
Tito Pao ba to? I love your vlog. Keep up the good work, man.
Thank you very much for the kind words, brother. I love you.
Very tasteful.
Salamat. There's Larry. Checking out the E86 prototype.
Dino has some serious taste in cars. He knows his JDM. But it's really fine. It's a lot of. Coming from ground.
It's a wrap here at Club Sport, here at Clean Fuel Silang Cavite. Oh, nakapagod na si Buboy Ayaw na tumayo. So ayun, nakaraos naman yung event. Daming pumunta. Very outstanding output. daming mga lumabas na kotse hindi usually lumalabas. There's a couple of NSX that came in, Porsches, Supras, sa mga ibang mga old school cars. So, ay hindi, medyo late na dumating si Larry Chen eh. So, medyo matagal tayo nagantay, mga napagod din yung mga tao dito. So, ayun. Ikaw, Buboy, kamusta ka naman? Hey, si Brian.
Yo, what up, man?
Yeah, thank you for inviting us today.
TV, no joke.
Well, actually, we're wrapping up the vlog. So, here's Brian. Thank you for inviting us today.
Well, I hope you guys had fun. I hope na natuwa kayo sa mga nakita ninyo. And this is a new driving spot that we have here. This is Club Sport. And I hope to see you guys here in the next few weeks. We're not really open yet. So, siguro within the next few weeks after mo i-up tong vlog mo, baka bukas na tayo. So, May.
Oo. Tambay.
Abang kayo, mga May. We'll be open.
Tambay na tayo officially dito sa Club Sport.
Yeah. Dito malamig kahit summer.
Oo. Malamig ang hangin dito, guys.
Malamig dito kahit hapon.
So, pwede tayo mag-chill dito sa Club Sport. So, thank you, Brian, for inviting us.
Well, man, I hope you guys had fun.
Yes, we are.
Nakita mo kanina, no?
See?
Tito Larry.
Yes.
No?
Tito Larry.
I'm so happy Uncle Larry showed up. What up, Larry Chen?
Ayun, thank you for bringing Larry today.
Oh, no, dude. It was Angie.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Si
you,
Angie.
for making this possible. Wow. Amazing.
All
You
right.
made a lot of people happy.
Bago natin i-wrap yung vlog, hanggang anong oras ba yung Club Sport? Siyempre maraming magtatanong niya.
Well,
Open tayo.
pagka mag-open tayo, we'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out. Yes. Malalaman natin.
We'll cross the bridge once we get there.
Together. All right. So this is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey for Carbon Media. Thank you for watching. Peace out.